Hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to all my subscribers. Today's video is basically about how Hydro will bring power into your home. So basically right now, the Hydro crew is here and they will be drilling to bring power into the current job that I'm working at. I'm going to turn around the camera. So basically, as you can see, they've set up the trucks here. They have everything that's needed for the job, and that will be drilling. As you can see, there's a machine. I'm going to have to go closer because I do not want to put the worker on the video. So I will go closer, a little closer, so you guys can see the machine that's being used. So basically what he's doing is he's going to be drilling through the ground, from my understanding, all the way over to where he's got to go. I don't believe that they will be doing any type of digging from the dirt. I have seen this before, which was when I first started my apprenticeship. So this is basically the machine that he's using. He's going to be using to dig, to go across. Technology is a C. So here he's placed his machine just before the house here. And this is basically the machine he'll be using to dig to bring power over to the house. Please like, share, and subscribe as you come in. You can leave a comment also if you feel free. So basically, this is the machine they'll be using today to drill over on the other side to get power over to this house here. So basically, what I've done here is I've knocked out my hole for the connector. As you can see, that's a 4-inch connector. It's a 4-inch pipe they'll be using. I've also chipped out here, so the pipe is going to be flush. And this is the pipe that they'll be using to bring the service in. So the service is going to probably be taking them all day to do this, as they have just started drilling. So I'm basically here waiting around to see what's going to happen next. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel as you come in. You can also leave a comment in the comment section. So today's video is basically going to be a live footage of Hydro coming in to bringing their power into the home. So we'll go over to the other side where they have started to suck this machine that they will use to basically suck the dirt out. Okay, so that's basically what you're going to be using to suck the dirt out of the floor to basically get my power over. As you can see, it's a machine that they will make the holes to get across somehow. I have seen it before, but I've worked beside them years ago when they do this type of stuff. So that machine is basically, I don't remember the name of the machine, but it's a machine that you can basically suck the dirt out of the ground, and everything's basically done neatly. And this other machine that I showed you this morning here is going to be a machine that they will drill across to go. I'm going to flip the camera just slightly over because I don't want to have the other worker on the video. So basically that's what they're using. And he's going to try to make his way all the way over to the other side. So basically what I'm doing today is I'm just going to be hanging out as you come in. You can also hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Stay up to date to my recent content. So right now that's hydro, basically digging. That's the machine that they're using. The reason why I have the camera like this is I'm trying not to get them on the video because I don't know if they want to be on the video. So from 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 time to time, I will just tilt my video. So please hit the like button as you come in. You can also leave a comment. You can also subscribe to the channel. Stay up to date to the latest content on electrical, the hazardness of electrical, the danger behind electrical, and the knowledge that you can gain of how we go about doing our work, our daily job. So basically that's the hydro crew guys working. So basically this is how you bring power into your house. Of course, some people will have to pay the extra money to get it done. Some cities, they require that the hydro crew bring the power in. and not the electrical contractor. All depends on the city you're in. Yeah. Yeah, I'll move my truck. I'll move it. Yeah. So again, as you come in, you can hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Stay up to date with my latest content. Today's video is basically a video about how hydro brings the power in the correct way. So I just have to move my truck because they have to get their truck out within an hour. 15 minutes, he said, sorry, 15 minutes. So I don't really want my truck to be in his way. So I just move my truck. I'll flip my camera back over to the work we're doing. So again, this is a video. Today's video is about hydro, bringing the power in. I'll go a little bit closer. I just don't want to have these guys on the camera, on the video. So basically, that's the machine that they're using to drill into the floor and suck the dirt out. And I'm guessing eventually they'll be running their conduit once they've made their way through and onto the other side here. So again, that's the machine that they're using. As you can see, so from time to time, I will tilt my live footage because I don't want the other workers to be in the video. So that's the machine here that they're using. As you can see, he's got his machine in the floor. I'm not sure if he's already made it over to the destination. I highly doubt it, but this, of course, is the sea can that we use to use the washroom, as there's no working toilet. So we were provided with a washroom, which is acceptable. As you come in, today's video is basically about how Hydro will bring power into your house. You can hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Stay tuned for my latest content. Stay up to date. Make sure your notifications is all turned on. You can also chat in the chat room if you want. Leave a message, leave a comment in the chat. So basically, as you come in, you're going to see me having my video tilt because I'm trying not to have the other workers in the video as I go live. So from time to time, you will see that I have my video tilt, but from time to time, I will also lift my video up. So as you can see, I'm going to tilt because there's someone walking. Don't really want him to be in the video. So I'm going to tilt my video. Yeah, I know. So that's basically what he's doing, what he's using to drill. And he'll probably get over to this point. That's basically where the meter is, the hydro pole, transformer. So I'm going to tilt my video back down. Like I said, I don't want to have the other workers in my video. What? No, buddy. No. No porn, buddy. So obviously that guy doesn't know what I'm doing. So he just made a comment. As you come in, you can hit the like, share, and subscribe. It's nothing to subscribe. It's nothing to hit the like button. Today's video is basically coverage of Hydro bringing the power into the home I'm currently working on. From time to time, you'll see me tilting my videos down to avoid having anyone else in the video. More? Okay. Yeah, that's fine. So obviously I have to move my truck up a little bit more. These guys are trying to get out, so they don't want to hit my truck. So I'm going to. Okay, so that's it. So let's go back to the to go live with it. It's something basically different. People have probably never seen before, and it's just today's technology of how you do stuff, how you make stuff simple. From time to time, you guys will see me tilting my video to avoid the cars that are passing and to avoid the workers having the workers in the video. So just bear with me. So basically, that's the pipe they'll be using to bring the power in. This is the machine I'm sure all of you have seen before. If not passing alongside the road, you'll now have a pretty idea of what these guys use this machine for. It's a very powerful machine. Um, Once they're sucking, you cannot be around because the dirt will start to fly. So for this reason, I'm a little bit far away from the actual scene of where they're digging. As you come in, you can subscribe to the channel, stay up to date for my latest content. I believe today is basically going to be an all-day work that these guys will be performing. Of course, it's not going to be done within 2 hours. It's something that takes time. The machine can only go as fast as it can. So basically, as you come in, as I say, you can hit the subscribe button, hit the like, share, stay up to date, stay tuned for my latest content. So basically today what they're doing is they're digging, they're going to be bringing power over and this is the path that they have choose to taken according to the survey. Obviously you need some type of survey before you can dig. It's very important to have any type of surveys done before you even go about any type of construction, any type of digging, as there's lots of stuff that's hidden underneath the ground. And these guys, with the survey that there was placed or given to them, they've obviously taken the right path in order to get the power over to the house. As you come in, you can subscribe to the channel. You can leave a like in the comments. You can like, share, subscribe to the channel for more content. Today's video is basically hydro bringing power into the home that I'm currently working at. Of course, without power, I cannot liven up anything in the house. So the date was provided. Obviously, this morning I had to leave the job site to go grab a couple of material that I needed to provide to them, which was a 4-inch conduit along with a 4-inch connector that they'll in turn they will be using once they get over to the meter base. So all of this stuff was cleared for them. This whole area was full of debris before. CCAN was here. Um, so everything has been moved in order for the job to continue, to get started. Of course, once Hydro or any utility company shows up and you have anything in the way, it's either you move it right away or you'll have to get another appointment. So for that reason, I had to advise the engineer to have everything moved so nothing is in the way of this work, so there is no delay for the service. People, as you come in, you can hit the like, share, and subscribe button. It doesn't cost you to subscribe. Uh, you're basically subscribing to my next content that I'll be putting out. Today's video also is about Hydro bringing service into the house. As you can see, that's the truck they'll be using to suck the dirt out of the ground. Very powerful machine. No physical labor involved except for using your machines to basically dig. You can also leave a comment in the comment section. You can also chat in the chat room if you want.
What's good? You working? You just smoking cigarette?
Yeah, buddy. Work after.
How's it going with it?
Mm-hmm. Just had to go get a pipe this morning for them, and that's about it. So just making sure everything's okay. Then I have to go downstairs and connect the main panel. As you come in, you can like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment in the comment section.
Huh? Oh.
Sorry about that. That was a worker that came over to me to inquire about what's going on. So obviously, like I said, today's video is about, it's a live stream of Hydro bringing their power in. Morning, bro. Yeah, yeah. So of course that there is my temporary power that I have here. So temporary power was provided to the home in order for us to use our receptacles or even plug our cords in so we can have power. I do carry a generator, but obviously there's power, temporary power on this job, so I don't need my generator. But I obviously travel with my generator just in case I have to use my backup power. And as you can see, the way they constructed the temporary panel, because it's an outdoor temporary panel. Basically what they've done is, what I did was I provided some clothes of some means of protection from the rain. So basically I cannot have this panel on the outside like this. So as you can see, the panel, this is the temporary panel that we use to provide service into the house. This is the ground that goes back into the ground. So on the other side, I'll have to do the same thing. As you come in, you can hit the like, share, and subscribe button. You can also comment in the comment section. So as you can see, this ground here is basically what I will have to do once these guys get over to the other side. With the ground plate, I have to place my ground plate inside the floor, inside the ground. So it's just temporary power. So once I have my ESA inspection and everything's good, then I will cancel this temporary power and I will start to use the regular power. Also, I'd like to give a shout out to Gaza Uncle. Big up yourself. Continue the good work, inspiration you bring to people. Also, like to give a shout out to Real Vibe TV. I'd like to give a shout out also to Jamaica Vibe Entertainment and also I'd like to give a shout out to Azumario General. As you come in, you can hit the like, share, and subscribe. Today's video is basically about hydro bringing power into the house. As you can see, from time to time, I will tilt my video to avoid having other workers in the video. Sorry about that, people. I had a phone call, so obviously it kicked me off the live for a couple of minutes there. So yes, people. So today video is basically hydro and how they go about bringing power. The machine that they use to bring power. So that's basically the machine that they use. As you can see, he started back drilling. Very nice and efficient. No mess. He's basically going to be drilling through the floor. As I say, so from time to time you'll see me tilting my video just to avoid having the other workers in my video. As you come in, you can also hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Stay tuned for my next content. You can also leave a comment in the comment section. You can also leave a comment in the chat. Let me know what you guys think about the video. If it's the first time you've ever seen it done. Obviously, like I said, that's the temporary power that they provided for us. So once Hydro has finished bringing the power over, I'll be able to cancel this temporary service. So obviously, people, this is the way of how you bring power in. You apply for a city permit. Once that permit's approved, first of all, you have to send, if the service is more than 400 amps, you will send, if the service is more than 400 amps, then you're going to be obviously sending your drawings over to the utility company. And the reason why they do this is anything over 200 amps service, I believe, it needs approval. It's basically a long process, but we were able to speed up the process. And what basically happens is they will approve, the city will approve the 400 amp service according to what's being done in the home and how much power you need in the home. People, as you come in, you can hit the like, share, and subscribe button. You can also subscribe to the channel for the latest on my next content. Today's video is basically about how Hydro brings power into the house, the type of machine that they use. Eh? Yeah, yeah.
But that pipe is a conduit. The pipe they're laying right now, that black pipe,
Yeah.
that pipe is technically conduit, right?
Yeah.
And then the next will come through.
That's basically how they do it, buddy. You never seen it before? No? First time?
First time.
There you go, buddy. So again, today's video is basically Hydro crew. Willing to bring power into the home. So I'm going to go over to the actual hole now where they're actually so this is basically the machine that we use. That's basically a structure that he's doing. And as you can see, he's going to be placing over to the actual pole where he's got to go. Basically the type of machine that he's using. Basically sucking away at the dirt. And I'm assuming that he's already drilled through from one side to the other. And what you're basically doing right now is pulling the conduit over to the other side. Again, from time to time, you'll see me filtering my video to avoid having the other workers on the line. So I'm going to go up a little bit closer. So this is the machine that we're basically using to go across. Basically, he has to get to here. And he's got to get up to this pole. can see now they're basically pulling this pipe over to the other side. As you come in, you can hit the like, share, and subscribe button. You can also leave a comment in the comment section. You can also leave a comment in the chat. So basically that pipe has to get its way over to here. And this is the machine that he's basically using to drill. And as you can see, he had this whole setup, and he's probably using some type of water, obviously. Of course, obviously, he's going to need water um, as he's drilling. So share, subscribe, and also leave a comment in the comment section. Of course, this morning was an early morning for me because I needed to be on the job site. Luckily, I did show up. I needed to get some type of material, 4-inch PVC conduit. As you come in, you can hit the like, share, and subscribe. And also leave a comment. Today's video is basically hydro and how they go about bringing power into your house, the technology that they're using. From time to time, you'll see me tilting my video to avoid having other workers in my video. So here you go. So again, obviously the reason why they're doing the service is some cities, they do not allow the contractor to bring that cable from the pole. And some cities they allow you to. So again, as you come in, you can hit the like, share, and subscribe. Today's video is basically about hydro. Up, Gaza Uncle. So basically, Gaza Uncle today, I'm just going live to show the people how hydro brings power into the house. And so basically what they're doing is they're using a machine to get the cable over. So basically that's the machine they're using. That's the cable that they're going to be using to get across. And that's the machine, the truck that they use. And okay, so let's go over to the other side of the machine to see how far they've reached.
I'm gonna bring him right now with the pipe, and he'll come up and cut.
So basically, that's what the machine looks like. Again, today's video is Bisky Hydro bringing power into the house. It's the type of machines that you use in today's world. No need to, of course, make a mess. You guys still drilling through the drilling is done?
So now they're gonna dig a trench to get it to the meter,
Okay.
and pipe it to the
Okay. So from that spot where
So basically from the tree, you're gonna dig it into where that dirt pile is.
yeah.
Take it around the side so it's away from the septic.
Okay. So obviously this machine was set up here this morning when I got here. I'm not sure I don't remember what time they started drilling, but it would have taken them at least, uh, yeah, at least 20 minutes to an hour to drill. And so basically, they've done drilling right now, and I believe the conduit has made its way over. And I think what they'll be doing right now is digging a trench. So basically, what he's doing is he's drilling. As you can see, the conduit is here. All with this machine. So obviously, that's what he used. As you can see, he's got some kind of attachment to the end that he hooked on the pipe onto to bring through the hole that we made. And as you can see, that's the pipe. And as you can see, there's no dirt that was digged. It was all underground. So again, there's no dirt. This was all done by the machine. And here, as you can see, they've already pulled their pipe underground pretty fast, efficient. You just have to pay the money to get it done. So that conduit is a conduit that they use to pull over to the house. Very efficient. I'll probably stay on my live for another 10-15 minutes. As you as you guys come in, you guys can leave a comment. You can also like, share, and subscribe. So again, people, today's video is basically hydro um, bringing power into the house where I'm currently working. The machines that they use to provide power into the house. And how they go about digging without making a mess. As you can see in the videos, there was no digging of the dirt. So basically, that's how you go about bringing power into your home with the proper machines and the proper equipment. Of course, I'm not going to lie, but it's the first time I'm seeing this. I have seen them use the machines before. As you come in, you can subscribe to the channel, leave a comment in the comment section. You can also leave a comment in the chat.
Little fucked up piping over there with the rocks, eh?
As you can see, he's using his remote to control this machine. So this is basically the machine that they use to drill. And like I said, the conduit is right here. It's on the other side. As you come in, you can hit the like, share, and subscribe. So that's the conduit that was pulled through the ground without any digging. This is the machine they use to dig underneath the ground. They also hook the conduit onto the end of this. So again, that's today's technology. And I believe that the conduit, now that the conduit's over, they will be basically drilling by hand. They'll be basically using the shovels to dig. As you come in, you can hit the like, share, and subscribe. So basically, Hydro, the utility company, is all done with the drilling, and now I'm supposing that they'll either be drilling, uh, they'll either be digging by hand or using the machine to finish off the other 20 feet that they have to go to get over to the meter base. Are you guys more? You guys pulling the cable today?
Yep.
Yeah? So that's the machine that they basically use. So again, these guys have finished drilling, and they will be basically pulling their cable today. So from here, they have to get over to here. So they're going to be trenching. That's the pipe that they'll be using. This is the pipe that I had to get this morning. That's the conduit DB2 that you use for underground. Of course, they had to go below the frost pipe. So I believe it's about a good 5 feet to more underground. As you come in, you can hit the like, share, subscribe to the channel for the latest content. Today's video was basically about hydro bringing power into the house and how they go about the process of bringing the power into the house, along with the equipment that they use to make sure that that's done correctly. People, as you come in, you can like, share, and subscribe to the channel. You can also leave a comment in the chat room. basically this is how they brought this stuff in. That's the hole they made to come through. As you come in, you can leave a like. You can also subscribe to the channel for more content. This is the main storage line, obviously. So they went below that, and now he's just finishing off his front. And now he's going to be sucking out all the dirt inside of the floor. So I believe these guys are cleared the machine out of here, and soon they will be going about to pull their cable in. Also, I'll be getting off the lights pretty soon, as I have to go and install my main cables for the main electrical room so I can liven up the panel. As you come in, you can hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Today's video is basically about just have to plug my charger. So today's video is basically about hydro and how they go about bringing their power into the home. The different machines that was used today. As you come in, you can hit the like, share, and subscribe. Stay up to date to the latest content. You can also go into watch my videos that I've posted. Basically, my channel is about electrical. have to wait till they're done. I have to wait. I'm going to call them soon. I'm going to call them soon.
I told them
Yeah,
tomorrow.
yeah.
But you want me to do taping plaster. I don't want to do it because it's cold.
I know. You
You
can't.
call me like you're bitching to me. Why
Yeah.
not start it?
Yeah. So as you come in, you can hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Stay up to date on my latest content. And today's video is just the hydro bringing power into the house. Types of machines that we use. And as I said, I'll be logging off pretty soon, the next 5 minutes, as I have to go and make my way down into the basement to connect the main heaters. So I'll be logging off in about 4 minutes as my phone is dying and I need to charge it. I will probably see if I can go live again later on once these guys start to pull their cable. And also, I would like to give a shout out to Trill. Pull it down. See you soon. And basically, these guys are basically gone on lunch right now, so they've done their digging. And that's normally how they do it. Like I said, I've seen this process before on bigger job sites where they will use that machine to basically dig under the ground and pull the cable in. Sorry, pull the conduit in, and after they'll be using some type of machine to pull their cable through. So hopefully I can go live again and show you guys how they usually pull their cable over. And I hope you all enjoy this video. I'd like to give a shout out to Gaza Libra for tuning in, Michael Fob, the real Gaza uncle, inspiration from him to be able to do these content and come on live. So big up Gaza uncle and bless. And I will catch you guys on the next video.